Hey everyone, in this box I have two car drying towels. I'm gonna open this box and use these towels and share with you my impressions. So let's go ahead and look inside. Inside I have one bonus item. I have this one towel and the second towel. This is what it looks like. Pretty thick. Quite heavy. Now it's interesting how it will absorb the water. I just washed my car and now it's time to dry it. So, yeah, it works. It really works. On my opinion, these towels work just fine, and if you need something like this, you definitely can give it a try. Thank you.